We have another listing for sale. 16,000 square meters. It's a titled property. Akin ni siya guys, resale ba ni? Gibaligya pag-usab marag pinalit ni siya, niya gibaligya pag-usab. This is located in Barangay Burgos, Talibon, Bohol. So, boundary na ni sa Hitapi. So, mao na ni nga property guys. 1.6 hectare or 16,000 square meters at 200 pesos per square meter. So, mayo sa do. There is a unirrigated rice field. So, na rice field ani gamay din. There is also a deep well. Nasa deep well guys. So, malantaw na wara kay ko mosulod dito sa ubos no kay nagmotor malagi ta. Murag nagdali na gyud ta kay na kuha na tong oras kay natagyapas pauli tag Cebu. So, mo ni siya guys. So, it's along Barangay Road. Ay, sorry. Dili siya along Barangay Road. Second lot from Barangay Road, guys. Nasa road right to boy. Mana siya. So, okay sad kayo, balayan. You can build a house. Then, have a farming. Burgos, Talibon, just around 20 minutes drive from Hitapi Bohol Seaport. So, 20 minutos ni or 15. Depende sa pagpadagan. Then, 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Signal is good. Water, may problema. Naitabay man. There is a deep well. So, very nice. Okay. Then, there are also neighborhood. Mga maayo na kayo ang atong kuan diri guys. Mga neighborhood. Then, highway, it's around mga 500 meters away from National Highway. So, dool-dool na sa highway guys. So, nindot siyang property, it's overlooking. 100 driver. So, muna siya guys. Second lot from Barangay Road. So muna to no, gikan ta sa property. Then from Talibon mga 10 kilometers siguro kay boundary naman ni siya. Talibon proper. So maayo ang kalsada although rough road. Then nana sa concrete road sa unahan. Okay. So very nice. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of titles sa Cebuan Bohol lang ta kay dilipat ta to sa laing lugar. Okay. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.